Why poor person becoming day by day poor? Why rich person becoming day by day rich? Have you ever thought in the life? Guys, my name is Sikandar Ali. I am talking from Mumbai. Guys, if you want to know about it, how poor people becoming day by day poor, how a rich person becoming day by day rich. So please watch this video till the end. Then you can understand everything. So guys, I am talking about first of all poor person. Suppose that your income is 20,000. You will spend 25,000, 22,000. So how can become rich? So poor person has not calculating power. They spend lot of money. They spend out of income. But you should live under the income. If you earn 25,000, you should spend 20,000, 21,000, 23,000. Then you can become rich day by day. But poor person want rich immediately. It is not possible. You have to accumulate money. You should save money. Then you can become rich. Otherwise you can't become rich entire life. So guys, and second reason, poor people has lot of bad habit. They take a smoking. They go outside unnecessary. They eat goa, gutka, you can say bili. They smoke lot of thing. They take drink. So your income is limit. Your earn is 20,000, 25,000, 30,000. If you spend for 3,000, 300, 200 for smoking, for taking you are taking goa gutka, you went for you go to outside unnecessary midnight. So please tell me, please, how can become a rich? So if you want become rich, you have to know first of all how can save money, how can accumulate money. Because guys, as you know, money is much important nowadays. No, nowadays, in the your future, most important. If you are safe today, then your future will be good. Because everything depend on your money. Don't waste money unnecessary. Don't waste time unnecessary if you want become rich. Each every rupees it is important for your life. It is every minute, every second it is important for your life. You have to calculate wisely, carefully. Then you can become rich. Otherwise, you can't become entire life. Okay. So guys, I would say again, I want to share money power. If you have good money, if you are rich person, every relative will come front of you. But if you haven't money, if you are poor, every relative will go far from you. So that's why money is much important our life. If you talk about rich person knows how can earn money a lot. Okay, how he has much more calculating power. He he has spent time wisely. He earn money a lot because he spend money wisely. Rich person will earn 1 lakh rupees, he will spend 80,000, 70,000. So a rich person know power of money. That's why a rich person don't waste money unnecessary. Okay, he spent a lot money, but he no calculate of money how much we have to spend. He earn is rich person earn 2 lakh, he will spend 150. So it doesn't matter you are rich, but you are spending money nowadays more than income. Automatically you will become poor one day. But you are poor, you are spending minimum income is, suppose that your income is 20,000, you are spending each every month 15,000. So one day 100% you will become rich. No one stop you, okay, for success. But if you want to shortcut, if you want to become immediately rich, it is not possible. Success takes time. Every success takes time. I am 52-year-old. When I started business, I made video, lot of video. You can watch my video, earlier video. Okay. So when my age was 13, at that time I started business. I had nothing at that time. I was zero like you. I was zero. I had nothing. I borrowed 50 rupees only. I started business with 50 rupees. So I had much more. You can say I have big story. You can say I have big struggle story. So I can't say everything between 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you want to share my journey, so you can come Mumbai. I will share everything. So guys, I can't say everything because I will say everything will come tear from your eyes. So because I seen very difficult time, but I am success because I don't waste money. I don't go outside unnecessary. I don't take gutka. I don't take smoking. I have been living since 2000 in the Mumbai, but I didn't see one movie in the Mumbai because I want money. I want to save money. That's why if you want to become like me, you have to save money. Don't use gua, don't use pan, don't use smoking. If you take, if you have bad habit, you can't become rich. If you want become rich, you have time. You should change habit. You should not take anything, you can say unnecessary thing. I don't take tea, okay, because no need to tea. I don't take tea. No need to take goa, no need to take gutka, no need to take smoking. So if you take unnecessary thing, you have to spend money everywhere. Without money you can't get anything. Your earn is 20,000, you will spend 22,000. So how can become rich? It is simple thing, sir. But if you want to grab anything suddenly, if you want to rich person immediately, so it is not possible. You have to take 20 year, 25 year, 30 year. I have been as a working since 1990. I did complete 36 years. Then I am here. I save a lot. I saved always money. Okay, I don't spend money as unnecessary. So 100% you can become rich. Don't worry. If you haven't any money, no need to worry. You should start job. You should do work. You should save money day by day, day by day. Like that planting. If you plant any tree first time, there you can see only you will meet two leaf. Day by day, after that 3 leaf, 4 leaf, 5 leaf. After 1 year, you will get unlimited leaf in the plant. he can become tree like that business. I'm giving one example, a small example. You can become rich, but it will take time. No need to become rich immediately, okay? But you have to spend money carefully. If your income 10,000, you should spend 9,000, 8,000. Then you can become rich. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. I will upload tomorrow next video. Thank you so much.